Have you ever heard your cat snoring while sleeping? Mild snoring in cats can usually be considered normal. However, persistent or severe snoring requires veterinary attention. In this video, we'll learn the mysteries and reasons behind your feline friend's nocturnal symphony. To understand why cats snore, we need to study their unique anatomy. Cats have a small and narrow nasal passage, which causes air to pass through in a more turbulent way than in humans. Cats have sleep cycles just like humans. When cats are in the deepest cycle of sleep, their bodies are completely relaxed and they are more likely to snore. As your cat's body relaxes, the airways inside their nose narrow and the surrounding tissue vibrates, causing the snoring sound we can hear. Another cause of snoring in cats is changes in the anatomy of the mouth and throat with aging. Sinus congestion, dental disease, nasal problems, chronic bronchitis, or adenoid enlargement can also cause snoring in cats. Some cats are more prone to sinus congestion and may also suffer from swollen turbinates or enlarged tonsils that block airflow while sleeping. In cats, as in humans, breathing difficulties caused by allergic reactions can cause the tissues in the nose and mouth to vibrate. This vibration produces the low-pitched noise known as snoring. These sounds can be loud enough for the cat owner to hear them from different rooms and can be unsettling. Just like humans, cats can snore for a variety of reasons. Let's examine some of the most common causes. 1. Nasal congestion. If your cat is suffering from a cold or respiratory infection, the nasal passages can become blocked, which can lead to snoring. Other factors such as allergies, sinus problems, or even a foreign body stuck in the nose can also cause nasal congestion in cats. 2. Obesity. Just like in humans, excess weight can contribute to snoring in cats. When cats carry excess weight, this causes their airways to narrow, making it difficult for them to breathe properly. 3. Brachycephalic races. Some cat breeds, such as the Persian or British Shorthair, have what is known as a brachycephalic skull shape. With a shortened nose and flattened face, this unique feature causes breathing difficulties and snoring. 4. Sleeping position. Have you noticed that your cat snores only when it sleeps in a certain position? Cats that sleep on their backs or with their heads tilted back are more likely to snore. Cats that sleep on their backs are more likely to have their tongues and soft palates blocking their breathing passages. This can be especially bad if the cat's nose or mouth is closed. Cats that sleep with their head tilted back are more likely to have their tongue and soft palate pressing against their throat. This can block the breathing passages and cause snoring. 5. Mouth problems. Dental problems or other problems inside the mouth can also cause snoring. Tooth decay, gingivitis, and tooth loss are common dental problems in cats. These problems cause the tissues in the mouth to swell and become inflamed. This can block the breathing passages and cause snoring. 6. Allergies. Allergies in cats cause obstruction in the airways and lead to snoring. Allergies occur when the cat's immune system overreacts to foreign proteins known as allergens. Allergens can be various things such as dust, pollen, mold, flea saliva, or cat food. Allergy snoring in cats is usually caused by swelling and inflammation of the tissues in the nose and throat. These tissues can block the breathing passages and cause snoring. Is it normal for cats to snore? Yes, it is normal for cats to snore for the reasons we have told you, but not for all cats. Older cats are more likely to snore than young kittens. Cats can start snoring as they age and develop health problems such as obesity or arthritis that cause chest congestion when breathing. If you've noticed that your cat has started snoring loudly, it could mean a few different things. The first possibility is that the snoring is simply due to normal aging processes. After all, cats reach full maturity around the age of 2, and just like us, they start to slow down over time. Since snoring seems to be more common among older cats, it's perfectly normal for any cat to have occasional snoring bouts. When should I take my child to the veterinarian? If your cat snores, it is important to consult a veterinarian, especially if the snoring is persistent or severe. Snoring can often be a symptom of a problem in the respiratory tract, and it is important to identify the underlying cause. If your cat snores constantly, or if the snoring is very loud, it could be a sign of a health problem, and you may need to consult a veterinarian. If snoring is associated with other breathing problems, e.g. difficulty breathing, coughing, runny nose, this may require further investigation. If your cat's snoring started suddenly, it could indicate an infection, allergies, or other health problems. Your cat's snoring can also be caused by oral or dental problems. Gingivitis, dental problems, and oral lesions can cause snoring. So what can a veterinarian do for your cat? The veterinarian will review your cat's health history, perform a physical examination, and, if necessary, perform further diagnostic tests. These tests may include X-rays, blood tests, or other imaging methods that evaluate the respiratory system. Depending on your cat's condition, the veterinarian will determine a treatment plan. Early diagnosis and treatment are important. If you see signs of snoring or other respiratory problems in your cat, it is important to contact a veterinarian as soon as possible. Early detection and treatment is important to protect your cat's health. Snoring treatments in cats are as follows. If your cat has a respiratory infection, your vet will probably prescribe antibiotics or other medication. If snoring is caused by allergic reactions, the veterinarian can recommend appropriate treatment. This may include allergen avoidance, antihistamine medication, or immunotherapy. If snoring is caused by oral or dental problems, the veterinarian may recommend dental care, tooth extraction, or other dental treatments. If the cat's snoring is caused by respiratory problems, the vet can create a specific treatment plan. This may include airway dilators or other respiratory supportive treatments. If your cat is overweight, a proper diet and exercise program is important for weight control. Excess weight can affect the airways and cause snoring. If polyps, tumors, or foreign bodies are responsible for snoring, your veterinarian may consider surgical removal. Your veterinarian will inform you about the balance of benefits and harms of these operations. Non-medical solutions are as follows. To help relax your cat while they sleep, you may want to consider placing a humidifier where they sleep. Very dry air can have the same effect on cats as it does on humans, and adding a little moisture to the environment can be beneficial in achieving a quiet night's sleep. To help prevent your cat from sleeping on its back, consider placing a pillow on the edge of its bed or placing a toy or object that will discourage it from sleeping on its back. The treatment for your cat's snoring varies depending on the underlying problem, so you should consult a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Your veterinarian will assess your cat's condition and determine the appropriate treatment plan. You have the information behind your feline friend's nocturnal symphony. Consult your veterinarian to determine the cause of your cat's snoring and get the appropriate treatment if necessary. Does your cat snore? Please share with us in the comments. As we come to the end of this video, we would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you enjoyed the content and information we shared with you. If you did, please click the like button below. Your positive feedback motivates us to create more informative and engaging content. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to make sure you never miss a video. By subscribing to our channel, you become an active member of our community. Your participation inspires us to create more content that matches your interests and preferences. So thank you for being part of our community. Hope to see you in our next video. Take care and goodbye.